I was talking with students lately and one or two are doing guitar teaching. So this is a quick little video about how to start teaching guitar. The very first thing is try and have a consistent step-by-step method that your students can follow. Try and stick to a sweet spot between their interests and what you know that they need to learn. Okay, so if somebody comes in wanting to learn some song that has really complicated chords in the beginning, try and steer them away or try and simplify it. Start with the basics, like start with G, C and D if they have bigger hands. If they're younger, start with half chords. Start with a half chord on your G and a half chord on your C. That's using just this finger on G, this finger on C. Stay clear of the down this strum pattern. Start with something solid like down, 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 up, down. Encourage them to play full songs. Watch out that they don't do a bit of this and a bit of that as well. That's the start.